$100, 100 minutes, one brand new hobby. Welcome to 100 Hobbies. Let's learn something new together. I love learning new hobbies. Reading about the history, picking out the gear, learning the new skills, and then going out into the real world to do it. You too can learn any new hobby without breaking the bank, without wasting your time doom scrolling through Amazon, trying to find the most affordable gear that isn't junk, that is safe, and doesn't look crappy when you go out into public. First, I am a husband and father, married to the woman of my dreams with two awesome kids, and I can't wait to teach them all the hobbies we're about to learn together. Second, I'm a rocket scientist, but take that with a grain of salt. What I'm really good at is taking complicated ideas and breaking them down into simple, digestible concepts. And what I do is I even make cheat sheets so I can remember later on too. Third, I have a bad habit of jumping into the deep end when it comes to brand new hobbies, but not the boring hobbies. I don't do that. My hobbies are niche, unique, and sometimes a little dangerous. What can I say? I get bored easily. I'm going to teach myself a brand new hobby, and I'm going to go from zero, never doing it before, to hero over the course of 8 videos. If you follow along, you can learn this hobby too without repeating the same mistake. And we may even become a little dangerous in this hobby too. You can guarantee that we're gonna learn how to do this for under $100 and under 100 minutes. We're gonna graduate this hobby each time with a souvenir, something that you could take home, show off to your friends, your family, coworkers. Proof that we actually did this. Here's how we're gonna do it. We're gonna open up and we're gonna talk about why we're doing this, why it's an interesting hobby. 2, crash course, history, terminology, and I'm gonna bundle it all together in a cheat sheet. 3, we're gonna go over the gear, scrubbing the internet, finding affordable gear that's under $100, something that works, something that's safe, and something that hopefully looks pretty cool too. 4, skills. I'm gonna teach myself how to use the gear, so that way we know how to do this hobby. And that way you don't look stupid either when you go in public. 5, backyard. I'm gonna then take those skills and gear and practice in my own backyard. Number 6, we're gonna go interview an expert on this. Somebody who actually knows how to do it. They're gonna tell me all the things I'm doing right and probably all the things I'm doing wrong. Number 7, field trip. We're gonna go somewhere and actually capture our souvenir. So you'll leave each season with something to show for your work, proof that we learned how to do this hobby. Number 8, finally, we're gonna graduate. We're gonna step back and reflect on the pros, the cons, the things I liked about the hobby, things I do differently. You're not gonna be a black belt by the time you're done with this hobby, but we're gonna be dangerous enough to do it, dangerous enough to talk to other people that know how to do it, and dangerous enough to pursue it if we wanna keep going. So join me, and you too can learn any new hobby in under 100 minutes and $100. Cool, unique hobbies that nobody else is doing. And who knows, we may find something that fulfills us, introduces us to brand new people, and provides meaning in our life. I'm Nick, and this is 100 Hobbies. Let's get started.